Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo Apple Box Set. Get me a full apple and a pancake. Not that kind of apple. And not a breakfast pancake. Make me an apple box and an eighth apple box. That's better. Now I get lost. Ahem. An apple box is a solidly constructed wooden box used for dozens of applications on the film set, such as adding height to camera rigs and props. They provide support for equipment such as monitors, equipment cases, are perfect for leveling out dolly track, keeping electrical connections from touching the wet ground, as well as adding height to actors. A lot of lead actors are a lot shorter than their supporting actors. They can also be used as a stepladder, and of course, to sit on. The Kupo Apple boxes are made from high-quality birch with a natural smooth finish and built solidly for long life. They come in 4 standard sizes: full, half, quarter, and eighth, also known as a pancake. They get their names because 2 half apple boxes equal a full, 4 quarters equal a full, and 8 pancakes, well, you get the idea. Plus, you don't have to buy them as a set. Full, half, quarter, and eighth apple boxes are individually available. Grab the full, bring it in New York.
But I'm from Texas.
Did they teach you anything in film school? New York, Chicago, LA. Stick with me, kid, you'll learn eventually.
That's the best grip equipment I've ever worked with.
Of course, kid, it's Kupo. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.